What is up, guys and gals? Jordax95 here again. Today, look at the part 5 of the Transformers Combined Wars Devastator. We'll look at these two, both of them, bonecrusher and scavengers. These two, both of them, is from ARMS. So, bonecrusher is a tank bulldozer, and the scavenger is a crane. Now, for that, let's take a look at the scavenger first. First look at he is a crane mode. He looks in nice detail how he looks. He captures his vintage toys. I do like he has a little crane, this little holes. He does that moves in this. He has a little cockpit one. He has a little Decepticon logo. Down here he has the wheels. He does a lot of rolls. He has a robot junks hollows. The case. Now the transform is just pretty simple. At first to do, let's unpeg his legs and has to unpeg his start unpeg. There's a peg snap. Let's start unpegging. There's a little crotch piece. Start to connect with. Let's pull the string. There's a rotate. There's the rubber mode. I'm thinking, where's his head? Head was in the head, and there's it. Open the chest and try and take it. And there you go. Here we have the scavenger in his robot mode. Better look at the close of his head. He did an excellent job. He really looks likeness how he looks in the vintage toy, and cartoon accurate. I do like his eyes red. I do like his silver mount plate. The Decepticon print logo. This was actually really is an accurate anime series. Let's to the back. He has a crane hook as well as this. Articulation for Scavenger, he has head can rotate, it does go up and down. His arms goes up and down, goes in and out. He has a bent elbow, slap right both hinge elbows. No wrist articulation, there's no waist articulation. His leg is forwards, a mag goes in and out that much. And his knee, and his ankle forwards, left or right, and his horse is back because hindered by transformations. Now, before into the arm mode, let's look at bonecrusher. He is a nice bulldozer. Has just a green plastic. He has a Decepticon logo. Down below it has a robot junks. So in the back here, it does have pretty rules in this one. Now for transform to the bonecrusher, is pretty much unlike. He has first to do. Let's unpeg his here. That's a little crunch piece that can clip right here. Same thing as pretty much the same thing as the scavenger's feet. Let's pull here. And let's do unpeg his. And of course, let's do the untag. Try and get untag holes. Try and get peg holes. Try and get peg holes. Then we have bonecrusher in this robot mode. Sorry, too bright. It's gonna hard too bright. Look at this head sculpt. He looks pretty nice, look likeness, and how he looks he did in the shows and the video game from Devastations. The little Decepticon logo. He has legs. He's pretty much yes. He was pretty much a repaint as the scavenger. It looks the same leg. It's pretty similar legs. Now, for decoration for bonecrusher, has heads on a ball joint down. It does have arms goes up and down, goes in and out. It has elbow grease and double elbows. He does kind of some kind of waist movement, but I believe that interesting. His leg is forwards and back, goes in and out. Dice roll in the knees, and his ankle forwards and back and side to side, same as the scavengers. My only biggest complaint is the legs, his crotch piece. It's supposed to put a hook piece together, but it won't stay, but it won't lock it, so that was the case. So that's about the both of them, the robot mode. And now for the arm mode. And the first thing, let's get unpeg his let's open his chest. See that little peg? Gotta take his peg. Let's do it on tag. Also, was he? This peg goes right. Let's see. Oh, there's a peg. I think the peg is. Hold on. Snap the piece and try to snap all the pieces together. Sorry about trying and put a snap piece together. I'm gonna leave that. So then we have Devastator's arms. Oh wait, yeah, that's the arms. Here we have Devastator's arms. And now let's select bonecrushers to this actually is saying. Sorry, I feel nauseate for hang. Alright, close. Rotate. Sorry, that was Aiden. That was Aiden chicken casseroles. And they have Devastator and his bump arms. So now we're almost complete. We're going to stay tuned. We're going to wrap up to continue. We're going to look at the final part. Talk about the Devastator. Oh, he has a pack holes in it. Forgot. There we go. So let's hang all this. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. We'll stay tuned. We're going to finish out the wrap up to finish out the combine. We'll put combining the Devastator. So stay tuned, guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And I'll catch you next time. Thanks for watching.